My dear brothers and sisters, how lonely are the streets. When I walk along the pavement, people jump off. People rush to get out of the way. In place of the warmth of a smile and a word of kindness, we have deafening silence. Have people ever been so isolated, distant, and remote? Let us ask ourselves, which one of us has a close friend or two with whom we can confide? We are dazed, distraught, and distracted in this, the 245th year of these United States. We've become a nation of strangers. And now with people working from home, we become yet more isolated. This is tragic. This social distancing, we've always had it. And then there is the delirium. We see it every day. Indeed, it has reached a fever pitch. The social fabric is torn. There is a rise in deaths of despair from drugs and suicide. It is tragic that anxiety, depression, and suicide are at an all-time high. And it is horrendous that over 70 million Americans, 42% of the adult population in these United States is obese, and another 30% are overweight. And of those 70 million, 15 million are morbidly obese. No wonder that the average lifespan has fallen in the last 3 years. The birth rate is the lowest since they began keeping records in 1908. And yet, we will come through. Your forebears, the greatest generation, came through. They mobilized this great nation. They fought two wars at the same time in Europe and Asia, and they triumphed, and they rid the world of radical evil. You will come through. So, let's begin. Let's begin by bursting forth out of these depths with a green drink for winter. So, let's begin. Let's begin, of course, with carrot juice. What better place to start? All right. A vibrantly alive carrot juice. And now, let's add a beet or two. Let's do some beet juice. And now, some apple juice. This, by the way, is a Newtown pippin, George Washington's favorite. So, we've done it. We now have carrot, beet, and apple juice. And now, next step is we're going to add some oranges. To our blender here, because we're making the liquid that's going to form the base of the green drink. Okay. And now let's add. Aren't these magnificent California grapefruits? Look at they just glow with vitality. So by all means, we're going to add a grapefruit. Okay. Now we're going to add this juice that we've just created. And we've done it. We have the liquid base. It's a glorious reddish orange. And now for the greens. Let's start, of course, with lettuce. This is a delightful red lettuce. It just glows with vitality. So we'll take some leaves of lettuce and just toss them in there. Okay. Okay. And now some magnificent kale. All agree that one of the healthiest greens is kale. So this looks like a curly leaf kale. We'll put it in. And how about some leaves of a dinosaur kale? It originated in Italy, by the way. Dinosaur kale. And now, how about some red dandelions? Look at the magnificent red stems. So, red dandelions. And that's it. Here is vitality. Here is bubbling, streaming aliveness. I drink a toast to you, brothers and sisters. You will carry us through. You will fulfill Abraham Lincoln's prophecy of a new birth of freedom. You will choose life, beginning with the food you eat, with the work and creative activity that you do. I can see right now those community gardens springing up everywhere. I can see the schoolyards turning into edible schoolyards. I can see public parks becoming edible landscapes. You will do it. You will create this America. You will carry us through towards bubbling, streaming aliveness. Thank you so very much, brothers and sisters. It is my privilege to share with you. Comments and suggestions are always so welcome. Let us go forward, and thank you indeed.